Hello and welcome to Kelpi. Today I'm going to take you through a tutorial how Kelpi can help and guide both new and existing sellers list your products faster and optimized for Amazon. So all you need to do once you've logged in and added Kelpi to you as a Chrome extension, you'll see it activates as you log in. It looks like this. It's going to ask you to either go to add new product or you can just click add new product. As you do, it will take you to the section where you need to put in which item you're going to be selling. Today, we're going to be testing adding bin liners. These bin liners, and then it comes up in a recommendation. You say yes, confirm. And as you kind of come to this section where you start adding products, maybe you might be familiar with this, might be overwhelmed already here, but what Kelpi will do is help and guide you through these next 5 steps. So if you open up Kelpi, you'll see now here it's asking for us to add a product URL. So we're going to go to this website. Today we're going to be adding a 36-liter general use bin liner. So all you need to do is you take a URL from your website, from your supplier, you add it in there, and then you press submit. This will take roughly 20 to 30 seconds. And as we'll see soon is that Kelp is now fetching the product data from the website. It's reviewing it and it's optimizing it. And as you can see now, it just added it into the required fields. So you can see here, it's added an optimized title instead of just the product name. And then you scroll down, it's also identified the brand name. In this case, because we don't have brand registry, we'll just tick, does that have a brand name? And it couldn't find the barcode. So if you have a barcode, please put that in. In this case, we'll say no. And just clarifying here the browse node, which in this case is disposable bags. If you click next, this is kind of where it gets really, really exciting. You'll be able to see our Kelp is already fetched and optimized the product description data that comes from this website, and it's also added in optimized bullet points. They put in the key selling points and also other important information to know for the shopper. For images, it won't be able to add images just yet, but what we've added is instructions in terms of how to images, which gives you some expert advice about what the first image should be, and then any other image recommendations for your product. So as always think shopper first. Going to product details, this is a page that has a lot of different fields. Now Kelp is doing the same thing. It's gone and fetched, and as you can see, it's already kind of identified and started adding product data. So in this case, we have the model number, the model name, the manufacturer, materials, type of item type. Couldn't spot the number of items. In this case, it knows we're only going to be sending one, so put in one. So you will see where Kelp has added data and where it hasn't kind of changed the data. You might have to either revise it or just kind of add it in. So in this case, it's 36 liters. So you go through that step, so you can see it's very much already pre-populated by Kelpi. So just make sure you kind of double check that everything's correct. Then you go into offers, same thing here. Kelpi will go back to the product URL. It's already identified the SKU, number of quantities you will be sending. In this case, I'm going to say 0, but if you're sending 10 or 20, or this will just be showing how many you have in inventory. You can change this manually later on. Then I've also identified the price, as you can see here, $14.80. And this is what makes Kelp extremely unique globally. It doesn't hallucinate. It will bring back the accurate data, or it won't bring back data at all. In this case, when it comes to fulfillment channel, we always recommend to start with, I will ship this item by myself. And then later on, you can convert this listing to an FBA listing, so fulfilled by Amazon. You just need to add in then item dimensions and the weight of the product. Safety and compliance, it comes across all new listings on Amazon that people add. So in this case, we'll just say the manufacturers in the United States, dangerous goods regulations. If it's not applicable, just go not applicable. Item weight here again, if you can add in the weight of the product. And if not, that's kind of it. And as you can see here, there's nothing red. So what we'll do is we'll actually go and try and submit this product. And what happens now is, yep, it's been submitted and it's gone for Amazon approval. And that's it. Kelp has kind of done this now in less than 5 minutes. You can continue adding products. So I'll be saving hours and hours to your day.